Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to be doing a double unboxing here. I'm going to be unboxing a Spider-Man No Way Home and a Disney Plus series, Loki. He boxes here. I have no idea what are inside the boxes yet. And you guys saw earlier today, I did a whole video with these two in the video. Anyway, I'm going to be seeing what's inside. And there's not much on the back side here. And on the top of the Spider-Man box, it says Marvel Studios, Spider-Man No Way Home. And on the top of this box, it says Disney Plus, has Marvel Studios Loki. And now let's try to open up the boxes here. And try to get the tail open in here. And gonna try it with scissors, and also be covered with scissors too. It's so you don't cut yourself by accident. In here. Yeah. And it's gonna be a little tricky here. Here. I got it on my back and I open the boxes after I get the tape off and I see you guys right after I turn the camera back on and see you guys in a few seconds. And I'm back and just got the tape uncut. No, see us inside of both of these here. Here we got this paper type of thing. Oh, we got bracelet thing that Spider-Man uses. His to touch the villains. And I today I released one in here. How's the thing? Hey, which is but it's for display. Hey, and now let's see what's inside the Loki box. Oh, we got kid Loki's. He's and main Loki's. He's horn clown thing. It's got hard to get out here. And the other day I'm going to turn off the camera and turn back on one side head. But I think out and then I'm going to see you guys in a few seconds. And back then, and there's not much you can do here. I guess it's just for display only. And just noticing the other names on the inside here. We got Kid Loki's Clown and Alligator Loki's his clown. And which is the two variants of Loki from the first season of the Loki Disney Plus series. Here's the I got some kind of pin here. Here, and which you can easily then take out. It looks kind of interesting here. Yeah, it's got some gold on it. And this is about it for today's video. And that's to talk about. And since these are kind of for display, and like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you're new. I got Lego building review videos coming out soon, along with more review videos that is coming in the new year. And I will see you guys in my next video. And get this channel up to 200 subscribers. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.